Hello everyone, welcome to our RV and our new portable bathtub. You're watching this review because for some reason you're like us and you want a portable bathtub. See, in RVs there is no bathtub in most cases, but you do have a shower in there. This allows you to make a bath anywhere you go. Comes with a couple great features. As a headrest for you, a little soap dish, a hose that you can attach to a drain. This one came with 2 drain pieces. What you do is you unscrew, put it in, screw it back on. It is made around the top from hard molded plastic, and then it's got a rubbery plastic that collapses down. Here, let me show you. And you're ready to go. Now there is one thing to be aware of when you're collapsing it down. This right here is the drain plug. And sometimes when you're collapsing it down, that will get caught. So just make sure you take your time, otherwise you'll knock that off. As for setup, it's pretty simple. You open up both the legs, stand it up, and then just push it down. You're ready to go. Now, for the size of the tub, I'm 6'2", about 215. I can't stretch my legs fully out, but it's definitely very comfortable. It's also a lot deeper than your standard tub, so you can fill it up with quite a bit of water. Besides being a bathtub that you can take with you on the go in an RV that you use for you or your littles, you can also potentially use this for your pets to wash them. Another thing this could be used for, adult beverages. My wife brought up that we could fill this with some water, some ice. Next thing you know, we have a nice place to store our adult beverages during football season. So would we recommend this? Absolutely. My wife, for the last 5 years, has lived in an RV without a bathtub. Sometimes she just wants a bath. Can't necessarily do it in the RV because of the smaller hot water heater, but this is light enough, portable enough that she could carry it over to the bathhouse, or I carry it over and set it up for her, and she can enjoy an hour or so by herself enjoying a bubble bath. They're especially a great addition for those with littles who just needs a place to give them a bath because the shower, they're not quite ready for that situation yet. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews help with your shopping decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.